Hi, today I'd like to tell you about difference of sentence structure between Korean and English language. This cannot explain all the grammar, but I hope you to know the mainstream of Korean language in a short time. English order is like this: subject, verb, object, complement, and situation. Of course, many kinds of variation can be made from this sentence order. From this basic order, now I will convert this English sentence order into that of Korean sentence. Well-written or spoken Korean sentence usually follows Yuka 원칙. It means 5W1H. Uh, that is who, when, where, what, how, why. How and why. Main difference is object, complement, and etc. words comes between subject and verb. If you call this subject, if you call this object, complement, and etc. words as uh, middle words, now you can make Korean sentences as you follow this order. The order is subject first, then middle words and verb at the end of sentence. Middle words can be a single word that is object or complement. Also, middle words can be a single phrase or clause. Middle words can join with other middle words and take their place between subject and verb. The most important thing of Korean sentence structure is subject comes at the first place of sentence and verb comes at the last of sentence. This is the key point. Other words except subject and verb that you need to make a, that you need to make a sentence place its location between subject and verb. Also, middle word is clauses, as you know. Clause also follows the order above, subject and middle word and verb at the end. Let's think about English sentence. For example, I love you at this moment. Uh, it can be weird example, but uh, the order is the English order is subject I plus verb love plus object you plus there's no complement plus situation time situation at this moment. Korean order is subject I object you plus no complement plus situation at this time plus verb love at the last. In Korean, I will tell you this. 나는 너를 이 순간에 사랑한다. I now marked 는, 를, 에, and I define these words as non-official name of link word. Link word declare the previous word's function as grammar clearly, like 는 declares 나 as subject word, 를 declares 너 as object word, but not applied to verb. Uh, Now let's see more complicated sentence that can be used in Korean news, real news. I will read this sentence first in Korean. 서울시는 당시 5인 미만의 환경에서 방역 수칙을 준수해 촬영을 해달라고 당부했다. There's no uh, word. There's no word damn in Korean. English order is subject, verb, object, complement plus situation. I will translate this Korean sentence into English sentence. Then English sentence may be like this. Seoul City Administration told them to shoot videos following quarantine rules on the 5 people situation at the time. I colored same meaning word, uh, English word and Korean word into same color. So you can see Korean sentence how uh, how made how can be made uh, in Korean order. subject는 when, 당시, it means at the time, 5인 미만의 환경에서, it means where, 방역 수칙을 준수해, what, it means what, but it's a clause, consists of object을 verb 해, 방역 수칙을 준수해, how, 촬영을 해달라고, 촬영, object의 verb 해달라고 verb, it's a clause, 당부했다. told. It means told. It's a verb at the end of sentence. I hope you to understand Korean structure, Korean word sentence structure. Thank you.